Assalamu alaikum playgroup. How are you all? Very good. Hope you have learned the value of numbers and also identification of number, as we have revised the number 0, 1, 2, 3. Have you learned? Very good. अब आपने मुझे बताना है what the value of number 0. Very good. 0 consider 0 object. And what about the value of number 1? Excellent. 1 consider 1 object. And what about the value of number 2? Excellent. Very good. Superb. 2 consider 2 object. And what the value of number 3? Great. 3 consider 3 objects. And what the name of these objects? अब एक दफ़ा फिर रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. इसका नाम क्या है? Yes, ice cream. And what the name of this object? Very good. 2 elephants. And what the name of these objects? Aeroplane. Very good. And now we will count these objects and we will observe the number. Okay, are you ready? Very good. अब आपने मुझे बताना है कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम क्या है. What the name of this object? Very good. School bus. What the name of this object? School bus. Let's count these buses. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many buses over there? How many buses over there? Very good. There are 4 buses. How many buses over there? Excellent. There are 4 buses. How many buses over there? Well done. And 4 consider. ये जो नंबर है इनके सामने, क्या इनसे इनकी वैल्यू से रिलेटेड, ये नंबर से रिलेटेड है इनकी, ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट है, इज दीज आर रिलेटेड टू द वैल्यू? नो. एंड देन टेल मी विच नंबर इज दिस. फिर मुझे आप ये बताएं कि ये नंबर कौन सा है. विच नंबर इज दिस? ग्रेट. नंबर 5. विच नंबर इज दिस? Is this number is related to these object? No. And which number we will put over here? Which number we have to put over here? हमें कौन सा नंबर इन 4 बसेस के सामने कौन सा नंबर आना चाहिए? कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जिसकी वैल्यू 4 है? Yes, number 4. And where is number 4? Is this number 4? No. Now tell me which number is this? Very good. This is number 7. And now tell me which number is, where is number 4? Then search where is number 4. Is this? No. Very good. Number 4 is nearby the bunnies. Now we will take this number 4 to the object and we will put this number over there. We will take that number from there. हमने क्या किया, नंबर 5 को यहाँ से लिया और नंबर 4 को उसकी वैल्यू के मुताबिक जितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनके सामने हमने क्या किया, रख दिए. अब हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं, एक नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करने जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. What the name of these objects? What the name of these objects? Very good. These are pandas. What are these? These are pandas. Pandas. What are these? Pandas. How many pandas over there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pandas over there? Very good. And which number is this? Is this number 5? No. Then now which number is this? Excellent. This is number 6. Which number is this? Number 6. Now tell me which number we will put over here. इनमें से कौन सा नंबर हमने रखना है? नंबर 7 या नंबर 5? यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा ऑब्जेक्ट के मुताबिक? Yes, we will put number 5 in front of 5 objects. Which number we will put over there? Very good. Number 5. Which number we will put over there? Excellent. Number 5. हमने यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर रखना है? नंबर 5. तो इसके लिए हमने क्या करना है? नंबर 6 को उठाना है और कौन सा नंबर रखना है? नंबर 5. Now we will again count these objects. Are you ready to count these objects? Very good. What the name of this object? Superb. These are apples. What are these? These are apples. What are these? Apples. What are these? These are apples. How many apples over there? Let's count these apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many apples over here? Very good. And which number is this? Well done. This is number 7. And which number we have to put over here? हमें यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर रखना चाहिए? Very good. Number 6. Which number we will put over here? We will put number 6 over here. 6 apples. अब हम एक दफ़ा रिवाइज कर. And now tell me how many bunnies over here? Let's count these bunnies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many bunnies over here? Well done. 7 bunnies. And which number is this? Superb. Number 7. Let's revise these again. 0 consider 0 object. 1 consider 1 object. 2 consider 2 object. 3 consider 3 object. 4 consider 4 object. 5 consider 5 object. 6 consider 6 object. 7 consider 7 objects. Now your turn. ओके, वेल डन स्टूडेंट्स. अब हम करेंगे एक दफ़ा फिर इनकी रिवीजन. 0 means nothing. 1 ice cream. 2 elephant. 3 aeroplane. 4 school buses. 5 pandas. 6 apples. 7 bunnies. Now your turn. Let's sing together. 0 means nothing. 1 ice cream. 2 elephants. 3 airplane. 4 buses. 5 pandas. 6 apples. 7 bunnies. ओके, अब हमने रिवीजन कौन से नंबर तक की है? नंबर 7 तक. 0 to 7. हो हमने कौन सी रिवीजन की है? नंबर 0, नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3, नंबर 4, नंबर 5, नंबर 6 एंड नंबर 7. हमने कितने नंबर्स की रिवीजन की है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. आपको फिंगर के जेस्चर आते हैं ना, कैसे करने? जिस नंबर का मैं नाम लूँगी आपने वैसा जेस्चर करना है, ठीक है। 0, 0 कैसे जेस्चर करना है, लाइक दिस 0, 1, you will fold your 3 finger and thumb invert your hand and one finger show to your mother like this. 2, like this, you will fold 2 finger and thumb inward and you will show 2 fingers to your mother. 3, like this, you will show 3 fingers to your mother and 1 finger and thumb you will fold inside the hand. 4, like this, thumb will be folded inside your hand. 5, like this, and now you will show your hands as I will call the number. ओके, जौन सा मैं नंबर बोलूँगी आपने उतनी ही फिंगर्स शो करनी। ओके, 7, आई नो यू हैज़ बीन शोन 6, मैंने तो 7 कहा है। लाइक दिस, 5 fingers and 2 fingers, 3 fingers you will fold inside your hand. ओके, एक दफ़ा फिर करते हैं, ठीक है। 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7। आपको आ गए जेस्चर नंबर्स के। अब आपकी टर्न है, ठीक है। मैं नंबर बोलूँगी। 0, 1, good, 2, superb, 3, very good, now 4, this is well done, 5, excellent, 6, and now 7, वेरी गुड। अब हम मिल के करते हैं, ठीक है। आप तैयार हैं? गुड। 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? Yes, number 4. Then we will add one more, 5. Then 6. Which number will come after number 6? Well done, number 7. Very good. One time more. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Clap for yourself. Well done. Well done. Superb students. Hope you have learned all the numbers. Name, numbers value, numbers identification and also the gesture related to number. आपको आ गया ना एक्शन नंबर से रिलेटेड। अब हम काउंटिंग सिंग करते हैं मिलके। 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. One time more. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good, students. We will meet again with the new video and new lesson. Allah Hafiz. Fi Manillah.